Hello. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register for our provider membership program. So right now I'm at the home page, femalehealthawareness.org, and you can see in the top menu there's a For Providers um, link. So we're going to click there, and this is going to take us to the provider page where you'll be able to get more information about our membership program and all the resources that are offered to you through this program. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that we have two options, annual membership and monthly membership. There's no difference between the two as to what resources are offered to you. The only difference is with the annual membership, you receive a 15% discount. So all you have to do is click Sign Me Up, and you'll be taken to this checkout page. So here you will get all the information about what the membership includes. You'll be able to enter your discount code. So if you do have a discount code, click here at this green hyperlink. You'll be able to enter the discount code and make sure to hit apply so that this code is applied, and you will notice that this price will change based on the price or the discount provided to you. So then you'll be able to enter your username, create a password, enter your email address, your payment information, and here's another place where you can enter the discount code if you didn't above. We will also in the future be having a PayPal option that's not quite up yet. So before you submit, you'll have to hit the terms or agree to the terms of service, and then you can submit and check out.